What do you think of this blizzard, ladies? Oh, Dad has to come and inspect. Hey, bud. I pulled these out of a couple of different nesting boxes, but here's what we have for today. Got extra straw everywhere. We do have our heater panel on. I will say it's safe, but it doesn't put out that much heat. But that's heat. But it's 18 degrees outside and about 25 degrees in here, so that is decent. Yeah? Oh, you don't have to leave. Okay, stand up here.
Alright.
Alright, so do you know what that egg is called? Fairy egg.
Fairy egg.
A fairy egg. And don't do it yet, don't do it yet. So these can happen with what?
A
New layer.
new layer.
So a hen that is a new layer. So most of the time that's what it means, but sometimes it could mean that your hen is stressed out or sick or has some kind of illness, I guess. So the other thing is when you crack them open, I guess sometimes it can just be the clear part or the white, and it may not have a yolk. So we're gonna crack it together and find out. Just a moment, buddy. Don't do it yet, we're gonna do it together. Okay.
Is it possible?
Oh.
I'm going to crack this one as hard as I can.
No, don't do that, it'll make a mess. That one I was gonna make for the food that you wanted, but let's see this tiny one. Okay, a little crack. Ooh, it feels so weird cracking this tiny egg.
Gross.
You wanna hold it? It shouldn't have a smell. It's not gonna have a no. Okay, let's see. Oh my
It has a yolk. It has a yolk.
It
So
does.
crazy. It has a yolk.
It does. Nope. Okay, yep, good job. So, I think it's just a new hen laying a new egg. All right. Hey, bud. Snow day number 4 and no school tomorrow anyway because they were supposed to be closed.